Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect pattern to Pinterest. So actually guys, in that video we are going to use a third-party tool. It's Zapier. So you will need at first to go with zapier.com and then just sign in with your account. After that you will need to go with create button that you can find under the Zapier logo on the top left corner, and then just go with the zaps or the first option on that pop-up menu. So now all you need to do is to go with or to choose whether you want to go with the EI or with a manual method. Okay, so if you want to go with the EI, you will need just to type like set for me the pattern as a trigger and Pinterest as an action, and then just go with source building and the AI will do the work for you. If you prefer the manual method, you will need to go with trigger right here and then just look for pattern. And I do need really to mention that you will need to have the premium subscription of Zapier, and that's to find the pattern here on the trigger and to select it. And then you will need to select the trigger event and also to sign in with your pattern account. And after that you will need to go with action right here and then just look for Pinterest and select it. And right now you will need to do the same, so we will need to choose the action event just right here. It's up to you, and then to sign in with your Pinterest account. And after it, we'll need to go and test a run right here to test them and publish to turn that zap on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.